Find A vector plus 2B vector minus C vector, where A vector, B vector, and C vector are given. Also, determine the unit vector in its direction. Let us begin. So first, let us compute the vector A vector plus 2B vector minus C vector. All you have to do is substitute the values of A vector, B vector, and C vector. So here we have I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. So this is going to the vector B, the vector A, added to 2 times the vector B. That means we have 2 times 3i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Then we have negative C vector. So that's 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 3k cap. Let's further simplify. We're going to get I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus 6i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap minus 2i cap minus 5j cap minus 3k cap. Now that's going to be equals to, now we have I cap plus 6i cap, so that's 7i cap, minus 2i cap, so that's going to give us 5i cap. Then we have 2j cap plus 2j cap, that's 4j cap. And from here, we're subtracting negative 5j cap, so that gives us negative j cap. And then we have k cap plus 4k cap, that's 5k cap. From here, subtracting negative 3k cap, so we get positive 2k cap. So we have obtained the value of the vector A vector plus 2b vector minus C vector. So that will be 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Now, we need to determine the unit vector in its direction. So that's going to be given by, we'll take the vector 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, and then we'll have to divide it by its own magnitude. That means magnitude of 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, let's compute the value. So we have 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap in the numerator, and then in the denominator, we'll have to find its magnitude. So that means we will take the square root. Underneath the square root, we have to take the sum of square. We'll start with the coefficient of I cap, that's 5. We're going to square this value, add it to coefficient of j cap, so that's negative 1. We'll take negative 1, square this value, and add it to the square of the coefficient of k cap, so that's 2 squared. Now 5 squared, that's 25. 25 added to 1, that's 26. 26 plus 4, that's 30. So that means we have 5 over square root of 30 times I cap minus 1 over square root of 30 times j cap plus 2 over square root of 30 multiplied to k cap. So this is going to be the unit vector in the direction of A vector plus 2b vector minus C vector, where it's given by 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap.